welcome back. Welcome back. Ooh. On today's menu, I'm serving you a very detailed how to flat twist video. Yes. So in this video, I'll be showing two ways that you can flat twist your hair, basically. Yeah. So the first one would be flat twisting towards your face, and the other you're going to be flat twisting away from your face. Keep on watching if you want to get. So if you're looking at the whitish thingy on my hair, it's the hair moisturizer. So I just finished moisturizing my hair and it had not all synced into the hair strand, so that's why you can see some of the white residues. But in due time guys, it's gonna go away. So after creating a small section, as you can see here, you separate that small section into two, and then you gradually twist it, bringing the one behind towards your face. And then as you twist on, you're grabbing more hair with the particular strand that you're bringing towards your face, and then you're just twisting it towards your face. Yeah, grab more hair, bring that strand towards your face, and pass the other strand under. Grab more hair with that other strand, and bring it towards your face. You just have to watch this video very closely to get the hang of it. We'll be doing this one more time so you understand what I'm talking about. And you can also rewatch the video so that you can get a very clear understanding of it. this style, you take this strand that's closest to your face and twist it backward. So you're taking it backward, grab more air with it, you bring it under, and then you take it backward again. I guess you guys just have to watch to get to good understanding of it. Like I said, you just might have to watch it again so you can really understand it. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching. I hope it was helpful. I hope you understood how to do both styles of flat twisting. Let me know if you're going to try this out, and if you do, please tag me on your pictures on Instagram. Let's see, let's share to the world. And yeah, my Instagram handle is at first lady, at first_FEIDY. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already. God bless you. Bye.